Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about tools that will help you to do keyword research and why keyword research is so important, because I want to see what people search on Google. So 85% search query is going to be information search query. Your customers are searching for some important information. Now why this is so important, because it's not only about finding what they search, but it's about finding why they search. Because if you know why they search, it's going to help you to create a lot of strategies across all verticals, whether it is a search ad or display or social media or writing a blog. It's going to help you in a lot of different ways. So one search tool which is MOZ, coming from MOZ, which is Keyword Explorer. So let's say I want to search what people search, let's say digital marketing jobs, for example, or digital marketing course, for example, or course, let's say. If I search here, I can put country as India. So you can see that EFGHI, and then I can search. And what this tool will do is this tool will give you a lot of ideas. If you click on see all suggestions, this tool will give you a lot of details. For example, you can see that this is digital marketing course free. So you'll get to know that the people, they search free course as well. So this is one important reason. Like the customer searching, probably they're also looking for free course or PDF. So why don't you create PDF? Why don't you create free course? That is something very important. So this is one result that you can always, this is one tool that you can always find a lot of keywords, and then you can always export. This is important. And next thing is, from here, if you go to our questions, you'll also get to know that these are your blog topics as well. So this is another nice way to find a lot of blog topics as well. So this is one fantastic tool that you can use. Thank you.